Hi everyone, let's learn to make a great evening snack, baby corn Manchurian. For this we'll take a bowl of baby corn cut into small pieces, and to this we'll add around 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Once you add the rice flour, add around 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Once you add the corn flour, add around 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now we'll add the salt. Now with the help of a spoon, mix all the ingredients once before adding water. We will be adding very little water just so that the flours in the pepper powder and the salt coat it. So keep mixing till it coats well, and then we will need to fry this out. To fry, in a kadai, take enough oil for deep frying. Once hot, add your baby corns coated in flour and fry them there till they are brown. Make sure you don't use very high heat, otherwise they will fry very quickly on the outside but not cook through. Once done, take them out and dry them out on a paper napkin. So now we'll go on to make the Manchurian itself. So for this, take a vessel. We'll add around 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we'll add around 2 onions cut the onions into 4 parts, and then separate all the layers. Once the onion is a bit fried, we'll add the garlic and the green chilies. Let these saute for some time, and now we'll add the other ingredients. So we'll add the green bell peppers, or what is known as capsicum, and saute it a little bit. Then we'll add in a tomato that is roughly chopped into cubes. Saute this also a little bit. And now we are ready to add the spring onions. Now if you look at a typical Manchurian taste that you get in restaurants, it's because of this. Now we'll add soya sauce around 2 spoons, chili sauce around 2 spoons, and tomato ketchup around 2 spoons. Now mix these very well. What you need to keep in mind is that while salting this dish, we have already added salt to the baby corn that we fried, and the sauces themselves contain enough salt, so we'll be sprinkling salt very lightly into this dish. Before that, we will add corn flour dissolved in water. Take around a teaspoon of corn flour, dissolve it in some water. This will add as a thickening agent, and it also ensure that this coats the baby corns well. So now sprinkle with salt, add very little, and mix well. So once done, we will add the fried baby corns. Now just fold the baby corns into the sauce that you made, and you will see that they have a glisten, and that's also because of the olive oil used, and it does become very heavy. In the end, we'll garnish with fresh coriander and some more spring onions. So you can see how fast it was made. Make this and do let us know how it came out. Thanks for watching.